It's because of the difference. If you talk about social forestry, it is more about strategic intervention. The government has its own objective, and the government want people to contribute. उनका उद्देश्य में वो क्या है, लोगों को स्वागत करता है. हमारे यहाँ हम क्या करते हैं, हम मैनेजमेंट इंटरवेंशन कर रहे हैं. अभी कम्युनिटी फॉरेस्ट्री का काम इंडिया में भी शुरू हुआ है. बहुत अच्छा काम हुआ है, पेपर में पढ़ने को मिलता है. हमको दिखने को तो नहीं मिला है. भोपाल तो हम गए वहाँ, मगर हमको दिखना तो नहीं मिला. फिर भी वहाँ काम हुआ है. तो कम्युनिटी फॉरेस्ट्री और सोशल फॉरेस्ट्री में मात्र फ़र्क क्या है कि सोशल फॉरेस्ट्री एक स्ट्रैटेजिक इंटरवेंशन है, तो कम्युनिटी फॉरेस्ट्री मैनेजमेंट इंटरवेंशन है. आप लोग ने बात किया कि इको टूरिज्म का दूसरा डिपार्टमेंट है. फिर भी क्या है कि वन का नियम की अंतर्गत वो क्या कर सकते हैं कि इको टूरिज्म इंटरप्राइजेज, they can have their own enterprises, so that can be done. और ये इंटरनेशनल ईयर के लिए क्या किया है हमने, आपने प्रेजेंटेशन में देखा कि ट्री हॉलीडे डिक्लेयर कर दिया है. ट्री हॉलीडे हुआ है. और क्या है कि सिल्वीकल्चर का एक नेशनल वर्कशॉप के लिए भी हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं. और पॉलिसी का चेंज तो ये होता रहता है. फिर भी क्या है कि दूसरा रेड का भी यहाँ आया था. रेड में क्या है कि इसी मोड और फेकोफोन, आप लोग से फेकोफोन ने क्या काम कर रहे हैं, केस स्टडी हुआ है, पेमेंट भी शायद कहीं हुआ है. ये इट्स लर्निंग प्रोसेस, सो वी आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम दैट. बट इफ यू आस्क मी पर्सनली, देन रेड इज समथिंग, वो क्या कहते हैं नेपाली में, उड़ी छुनु चंद्र, जस्ट कैचिंग द मून. It's something like that, because if you look at the economist paper, then they also show that the carbon benefit is not any, what you call that, very realistic sort of things in the ground. So यही बात हमने भोपाल में भी की थी. वहाँ जो वहाँ का इंस्टीट्यूट में हुआ था, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फॉरेस्ट प्रोफेसर विश्वास ने प्रश्न किया था, तो यही बताया था हमने वहाँ भी. यहाँ भी कहना चाहूँगा कि वही है. फिर भी हम क्या करें कि कम्युनिटी फॉरेस्ट्री इज अ लर्निंग प्रोसेस. देयर आर स्टिल रूम्स ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट. इफ यू लुक एट दिस स्लाइड, देयर आर मोर चैलेंजेस देन अचीवमेंट्स. कुछ नहीं कर सकते. फिर भी क्या हुआ कि आप लोगों से मुलाकात करके हमको बहुत क्या है कि लर्निंग का अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल गया. वहाँ नहीं आ सकते हैं तो यहाँ तो मिल गया आप लोग. I came across the information that the distribution coefficient has been deteriorating in these days. So with this regulation of IE and EIA, what we presume that there will be some sort of what you call a regulation in the handing over, and which will ultimately improve the distribution coefficient. So तत्काल के लिए वो 3 लाख 4 लाख रुपया आई के लिए ये समूह को खर्च करना पड़ता है. वो प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो सकता है. फिर भी क्या सोच रखते हैं कि उसका जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है वो उसके लिए नेपाल के सामुदायिक वन के जो वितरण का सूचकांक के लिए उसने कुछ अच्छा काम किया है वो प्रोविजन से. Though there are some mistakes, and we have very development partners who are eager to support us if it is a real problem that hurdles CF development in Nepal. We have development partners who will assist us to come across this problem. So it will not be a pleasure.
Thank you for all the participants who come from Odisha. Actually, Nepal is leading the community forestry. You have already know, but we have already you have seen that we have 5 regions like Trai, Inner Trai, Chure, Mountain and Hari Mountain. No? In the hilly area, community forest is doing excellent. People, they know the importance of community forest, all these things. But in the case of TRAI, it is not doing what it is supposed to do. And in TRAI, we are doing collaborative forest, like in our country, just like a joint forest management, we are doing it collaborative forest. There is 3 partners. It's local government and users and then national government. We have 3 partners, and then in the TRAI case, in 3 partners, there's distribution is 50-50. Whatever the products, there's 50% goes to the users and 50% goes to the national government. Actually, we have 2 sources. One is this water sources, another this natural sources, I mean forest sources. Government needs some money. That's why in the TRAI, actually there is a community forest. No doubt there is community forest. It is doing well. But in the TRAI, we have a salwood. Actually, salwood is very important. Though you have seen this community forest doing very excellent in the hill, but the TRAI is not doing what it's supposed to do. I'm very pleased to inform you that like Odisha, you have joint forest management. Let's learn, but the scenario in India and Nepal is different. Though some good things, which is supposed to be implemented in the Odisha, please learn it and let's share it. Maybe in near future we may bring our peoples theirs, and so that how your people are doing theirs. That's all.
My belief is that only people can do something differently. तो क्या है कि चीज़ तो वही है कि there are 2 things. Either we have to do the new things, or we have to do the same things but differently. Then only that will recognize us. Otherwise, if other people are doing same thing, and if we do the same thing in the same way, doesn't recognize. So that's the identity of FECOFUN is here in Nepal, that the FECOFUN has been done new thing, sometime has been done same thing but differently. These are the 2 very important things. What I have talked with you, I haven't told many things that you should have to have some your concrete plan. You should have to have some your vision. You should have to have your action plan in your hands, so that anybody asks that where you are going, that you have to say we are going here.